The F-16 Fighting Falcon is a supersonic multi-role fighter jet developed by General Dynamics, later acquired by Lockheed Martin, for the United States Air Force. It was originally designed as an air superiority fighter, but the F-16's ability to be used in all sorts of missions is what made it so successful in the export market, and is used by 24 countries other than the United States. This aircraft is very popular in the eyes of the international, and has been used by 25 air forces around the world. The F-16 is the largest and most significant Western bloc fighter project, with a total of about 4,000 units of F-16, has been produced since 1976. This aircraft is not produced for the United States Air Force, but is still produced for export. In 1993, General Dynamics sold its aircraft manufacturing business to Lockheed Corporation, which subsequently became part of Lockheed Martin. After a merger with Martin Marietta in 1995, the F-16 itself is known for its excellent airborne combat capability, with innovations such as a frameless cockpit lid that clarifies vision, with side control handles for easy control at high speeds, and cockpit seats designed to reduce the effects of G-forces on the pilot. It was also the first fighter aircraft built to withstand turning forces at 9 G speeds. The F-16 has an M61 Vulcan gun on the inside of the fuselage, as well as 11 pylon locations for cutting weapons and other mission equipment. The official name of the F-16 itself is Fighting Falcon, but Viper is more commonly used by the ground crew and pilots of the aircraft, due to its resemblance to the Viperidae snake and Colonial Viper Starfighter. From the TV show Battlestar Galactica, the F-16 is now active in the United States Air Force, Air Force Reserve Command, and Air National Guard units. It is also used by air forces in 25 other countries. As of 2015, it is the largest number of fixed-wing aircraft used by military branches in the world. During the Vietnam War, the United States realized that there were still many weaknesses in their aircraft, especially the need for air superiority and better training for fighter pilots. Air-to-air missiles in those days still had many problems, and their use was also limited by certain rules. In addition, air combat was more in the form of close combat, where agility in the air and melee weapons were needed. Colonel John Boyd developed the theory of energy maneuvering in fighter combat, based on his experience at the time of the Korean War, assisted by mathematician Thomas P. Christie, who relied on large wings to be able to perform good aerial maneuvers. The theory required the fighter to have a light body weight, so that it could maneuver without much resulting energy loss, and also an engine with a high thrust-to-weight ratio. In the late 1960s, Boyd assembled like-minded inventors and founded the Fighter Mafia organization, which secured funding from the U.S. Department of Defense in 1969, along with General Dynamics and Northrop, to conduct research on the theory.